Right then, we're all set for match number 24. Forest Puneri Bappa taking on the Raigad Royals. Raigad Royals won the toss, deciding to bowl first. Extremely important match for Forest Puneri Bappa. As always, Pawan Shah, Forest Puneri Bappa. Both the openers are ready. Along with Pawan Shah, Ramakrishna Ghosh. Forest Puneri Bappa taking on the Raigad Royals. First ball, yes, in the gap. It's a good start this. Good outfield as well. Of course, brilliant conditions.
That's the ball he was waiting for. Up and over. The first six of the game and well caught.
Again on the legs. Gift accepted this time. Pawan Shah, Krishna Ghosh, who's been sent out to go after the bowlers. Nicely cut this. They need to keep bowling. Again, pitched up, accepted. Where to go, Ramakrishna Ghosh. Pitched up, goes for it. Oh, long on, 6 runs. Ramakrishna Ghosh, that's his third one. Oh, was there, gone. Hit straight
In the middle, but have a look at this piece of fielding. The anticipation, the pickup, the 3 stumps to aim for, and
Tanay Sanghvi, the new bowler. Nicely driven by Rohan Damle. He'll get.
And it's in the air. And Rohan Damle has to go back to the pavilion. The second wicket lost.
An easy catch for him. Not in the best of positions there, Rohan Damle, to pull that. And that is where he'll have to walk back. This is another wicket for the Raigad Royals. They've conceded. Rohan Damle out for 5, 52 for 2. Sunil Yadav into the attack. First ball, a gentle loosener, and that deserved punishment.
उन्होंने ये बिल्कुल हवा में गेंद है, पर यहाँ पर कोई मौका नहीं फील्डर को. ऑन द मारा था यहाँ पर. वो लंबे कद के हैं, बिल्कुल ये भी शॉट कमाल का है. कोई मौका नहीं वहां पर. रामकृष्ण घोष, what a shot. Yash Shirsagar.
And he gets his half century here. His first half century. And the first opener for Puneri Bappa to score a half century. Got a promotion today. And what a fighting knock. That
short ball pulled. Yash Shirsagar starts the left. Ramakrishna Ghosh doing now, comes on the track. Big appeal given. Might have also had it been a run out. Yash Shirsagar.
that comes to an end. Have a look at this. Ramakrishna Ghosh didn't know where the ball was. There was a big appeal from Ishant More behind the stumps. And Shirsagar just has to depart. Well played, 52, 90 for 3.
Nicely tossed up, catches the call, fielder under it, easily taken. The skipper Naushad Sheikh, straight to him. Sunil Yadav picks up his
wicket. Tyler Thade departs for 2, 96 for 4. That Ruturaj Gaikwad possesses. In the air and also taken in the deep. Was looking to go big inside out. Yash Shirsagar departs for 18, 97 for 5.
सक्षम नहीं है, पढ़ाई नहीं है और जल्दी शादी हो जाती है तो जल्दी बच्चे हो जाते हैं तो हाथ में कुछ नहीं रहता.
3 wickets. Inside edge, a lucky boundary there. That's the way the game goes. Resume after the timeout with a 6. What a shot that is. That first qualifier. A full toss. And that has gone into the stands. Nicely hit by Ruturaj Gaikwad. The achievements of the women. New batter is Surat Shinde. First ball and it's straight to the field. Vicky Ostwal takes an...
7 Puneri Bappa. Stump to stump गेंदबाजी बड़ा शॉट मारने की तलाश, यहाँ पर चौका मिलेगा सचिन भोसले को। बिल्कुल अच्छा टाइम पिक किया और स्क्वायर लेग की दिशा में यह चौका।
Memory a selfie. And that's out of here! High and handsome! Sachin Bhosle on strike. A full toss! And he has hit it into the stands! That's a big one! And that is what Ruturaj Gaikwad can do if he gets
36 रन बनाए और ये अच्छी गेंद यहाँ पर, बोल्ड हिम, बढ़िया गेंदबाजी यहाँ पर मनोज इंगले, स्पीड भी थी। ओहो हो कमाल का यॉर्कर, ड्रीम बॉल कोई भी बॉलर का, और ये ड्रीम विकेट।
6 for Ruturaj Gaikwad, 160 for 8, Puneri Bappa. Well for the Royals. Oh, good shot. Oh, that just took off.
3 गेंदें बाकी है, आउट, सचिन भोसले आउट, रन आउट, सैक्रिफाइस किया विकेट। विकेटकीपर ज्यादा चूकते नहीं है, ग्लव्स निकाल दिए थे, बहुत ही सही प्रिपरेशन था उनका।
He should try and come back for the second run, should Roshan Vaksare. Yes, good running. 2 runs to finish the innings. 13 runs eventually of the last over. Puneri Bappa have scored 167 for the loss of 9 wickets in their 20 overs. And team have been restricted to 167. And why we're seeing a good start is thanks to Ramakrishna Ghosh. The way he batted, the top scorer, 52. Let's see how do they chase this target of 168 and that.
Oh, first ball. Sideshvi looking to attack. In Bhosle, Naushad Sheikh. Down comes Sideshvi. A stylish left-hander shot. Got away again, connected well. 4 more.
To the start that he was looking for. Well in control, Navan.
Got ball, appeal given.
A short and that extra bit of bounce, just nicking the gloves. Ramakrishna Ghosh can do no wrong tonight. Over as well, Yash Nar unfortunately departs without scoring. 18.
Oh, clean up! What a ball this by Shelar.
Stuck on the crease, big gap between bat and bat, and that was quite enough for Vivek Shelar. Beautifully bowled. That's for 1, 19 for 2. Quick singles. Little track.
This time on the leg side. He'll be lucky or no, that'll be boundary. So 5 runs to end. There we go on the leg side. Nicely connected. 6 runs for him.
Yeah, Sudesh Veer probably saw his batting package and got it exactly where he was wanting it. Comes down the track on the leg side with a pace and bounce. Good bit of timing and
Nicely connected. The cover drive. 4 runs. So 11 runs.
Message coming in. Nicely driven. What a beautiful shot that is. Definitely the shot of the power play. Jamali. He's the new bowler. And nicely hit. Oh, what a
100, a good chance of getting a lot of runs here. Naushad Sheikh is playing a beautiful shot, full shot to the deep.
A good matchup. This time he cuts and cuts well. He was trying to hit the shot since the last couple of overs, but finally gets the gap.
long on, interested in that, and will take that. Will dug out. A well made 26. It's 76 for 3. There's more of an afterthought that appeal. This one could be close. This one could be close. Yes, wrapped right. Mehul departs for naught without scores here, and will probably reach about 11 and 12. Top edge and shot third man. Slight fumble, but in the end, Vivek Shelar.
Do it. Rishabh Rathod gone just for scoring a run. 77 Tiger Royals. And takes the outside edge. No chance for the fielder. Shot third.
For the Bappas to get another wicket here early on would make all the difference, because he'll keep batting like that and he'll.
Yeah, goes for it. Connects well, and that's 6.
30 रन देके 2 विकेट निकाली. ये बड़ा शॉट कवर की दिशा में, चौका मिलेगा बिल्कुल. बढ़िया शॉट.
Hit really well. That's a 6 to finish the over on a very good note for the Raigad Royals. Deshveer takes the aerial route and clears the third of his bat.
Anyone hits 6 at covers is always a great shot. It was a brilliant shot. Maharashtra Premier League. Lovely shot here. Beautifully timed to the covers.
That's connected really well. What an over this is. 4-6 of the last 3 balls.
पहले ही पढ़ लिया था कि 2 गेंद डाली थी उन्होंने. एक छक्का मार.
Oh yes, he has beaten the infield. Will be a boundary. He scoops it, and he scoops it really well. On the full. Yes, he has connected that really well. He will get a 6. This is outstanding batting. And last ball of this over. Yes, Vishant More has connected it well. He will get a Raigad Royals and Siddeshveer. He hits that. Yes, he will get a boundary. Raigad Royals win this match by 5 wickets. And Siddeshveer, what a knock this has been. Brilliant batting. The way Raigad Royals have chased this. All their fans and supporters who have come in those pink jerseys are delighted. Company from Vishant More, 37 not out of just 22 balls, as the Raigad Royals won this match by 5.